In this video, we'll demonstrate the initial steps needed in order to commission a DEVIreg Display Connect. For the DEVIreg Display Connect, once we have the power supply mounted into the wall and the floor sensor, of course, mounted appropriately in accordance with our instructions next to the heating element, then we have the front part of the thermostat and the frame for the given system where it needs to be mounted. This is our Danfoss design frame and our Display Connect thermostat. And then that can be placed snugly onto the wall, whereafter the thermostat can now be set manually to whatever is wished. And we have heating on. By turning it down onto the different positions, the FP, for instance, for frost protection, which has the default of 5 degrees, the SC for scheduling, which then we can go in and configure the thermostat through our Bluetooth setup, or if it's already configured, then we can set it down there if it needs to run the schedule, or the OF position, which is the off position for the thermostat, where the thermostat then will not commence operation.